Okie dokie, Stella. Today you'll learn two word families. What will you learn?
Two word families.
Your family are people who are meaningfully related to you,
Yes.
right? It might include people like your mom, dad, cousins, grandparents, uncles,
Ants.
aunts, exactly, right?
Not like the animal ants. Your ant.
Yeah, but your aunt, right, exactly. Words also can come in families.
Yeah.
Yeah. Word families share a base element. What do they share?
A base element.
Aha. These word sums right here
Yeah.
show the GO family.
The G, I'll go.
I'm going to read out the word sums to you. Ready? GO plus ES is rewritten as GOES. Goes.
Goes.
GO
Go
plus ING
plus ing
is rewritten as
is rewritten as
G-O
ing.
going.
Going.
You don't have to repeat after me. G-O plus N-E is rewritten as G-O-N-E, gone.
Gone.
Okay. The words goes, going, gone all share the base G-O. Yeah, what base?
G-O.
That's
Go.
right.
Go.
It doesn't share the base go. We don't want to say go because does it sound like go when we say gone?
No.
No. So we say that they share the base G-O.
G-O.
Right. Very good. What suffix do you, so we use these words a lot when we read and write and speak, but it can be hard to tell that they're related because they don't sound the same.
Yeah.
Right? Because like it's goes, going, but then gone. Okay. But they are all in a family because they share what?
G-O.
The G-O base. Excellent job. What suffix do you recognize in the word goes? Do you recognize the suffix in there that we've studied?
Yeah.
What suffix do you recognize?
Yes.
Aha. Can you box the EX in goes?
Like I never seen this marker before.
Good job. Now, you know that the suffix ES usually adds a
verb.
syllable, right? Remember we talked about that? Oh, yeah. I watch, but she watches, right? Watch, watches. And I know that there's an ES on that word because it adds a syllable. Syllable. You're right. ES could go onto a verb or to a noun. Like, I have one box, but two
boxes.
Right. So it's about adding another syllable. That's how I know if I should use an S or an ES. But look at goes. The base of goes, if I just say go, how many syllables is that? One, right? Now, how many syllables is the word goes?
Goes. Two.
Goes. Is that how I say it?
Goes.
Nope. We'll talk it. How many?
One.
Ah. So here I see a suffix ES, but it doesn't add another syllable.
Wait.
Right?
Yeah.
Go. Goes.
Go.
Okay.
Goes.
So there's another time when I will use an ES, which is when my base element, right, ends with an O. Okay. So can you spell out the word goes?
G-O-E-S.
Right. G-O-E-S. You do it?
G-O-E-S.
Good job. What suffix do you recognize in the word going?
I-N-G.
I-N-G. Very good. And now gone is related to the word go, right? Like I could ask you, have you ever gone to the zoo? And you could say,
no.
Yes, we go to the zoo, right?
Oh yeah, gone, go.
Yeah, they do. They are related. They both have the base G-O.
Like I thought like it was like I'm gone forever kind of thing.
Yeah, if you're gone forever, you don't go anymore, do you?
No.
Right. So the word gone has a suffix NE, even though that's not a very common suffix that we see. So how do you spell gone?
G-O-N-E.
G-O-N-E. Very good. So Stella, this is a matrix for the
Matrix.
word go. Can I put it right here?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a matrix. I like how you just repeated that. A matrix for the base
Go.
G-O.
G. Oh,
Okay, good.
sorry.
It shows that you could make the words goes, going, gone. You see that?
I just made these words.
Yes, exactly. Okay. And the suffix "ne" is in red because it's not a very common suffix, but it is there on the word gone.
Yes.
And also in the word done, which we'll study next.
Done.
Every word you make with a matrix has to include the base.
Yeah.
And what's the base in this matrix?
G-O.
G-O, very good. Okay. All right. And so this matrix down here is for the word, for the base,
D-O.
Good job. You can
Finally.
see, look, the same suffixes. You see that? On this matrix as in this matrix, es, ing, and ne.
But now we have on and re.
So, but we'll talk about those in a second. So with this matrix, we could make does, doing, and done. How would we spell done?
Done. D-O-N-E.
D-O-N-E. Good job. See how you can use the matrix to help you? Yes.
I see like a vowel team here.
Oh,
Thing.
Are the O and the E working together in the same element?
No, but
No.
they sliced.
Right,
They can't
so
work
this is
together.
not a vowel team,
No.
right? It's an
It's
O, which is part of the base, and an
Mhm.
E, which is part of the suffix. So just because two
Tricky.
letters are beside each other doesn't mean they're working together. They have to be working together,
It's
right?
tricking you.
A little bit.
Yeah, kind of.
You just have to be careful about, you have to know what the, what you have to do is you have to understand the elements of the word, the meaningful parts of the word.
Mhm.
Then you can look at the graphemes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So like you said, Stella, this matrix down here has what on it?
Do.
Well, oh, sorry, it does. Yes, it's the DO base, but you just said something about these two things here.
On and re, they're prefixes.
Oh, okay. So you already kind of know a little bit about the word prefix, don't you?
Yeah. Prefix.
So
Prefix is like before and after kind of thing.
yeah, okay. So we know that a suffix is a bound element fixed after a base,
Mhm.
but a prefix is a bound element fixed before or attached before, right here. Good job. So highlight that.
Prefix dot a
Bound.
element fixed before a base.
Excellent. Good job.
Wait, there's also a pen?
So the prefix re can be used to make the word redo.
Redo.
If I have to redo my homework, I have to do it
again.
Good job. The prefix re can mean again. What can it mean?
Again.
Uh-huh.
Un means not.
Okay, the prefix un can be used to make the word undo.
Undo.
Uh-huh.
So do not do.
If you make a mistake while drawing a picture, you can undo it by
not doing it.
You could undo it. If you were drawing a picture and you make a mistake, how can you undo it?
Restart.
You could use an eraser, right? Or you could restart, but you could also just erase, right? And try it again. Good job. So un can mean not or opposite. What can it mean?
Not or opposite.
Good job.
What does opposite mean?
Opposite means like if things are not the same, they're opposite.
Oh, like water and fire.
Sure. Yeah. Those are kind of like opposites, aren't they? The opposite of up is
down.
The
opposite of down is
up. Okay, so let's add these new prefixes to our chart right here. Okay, so prefixes. Where's your pencil? Here it is. Go ahead and write in RE with a line because that means that we know the prefix RE.
R-E.
Good, and that line means it goes before the base. Right?
The base.
This means that this part comes after. Right, good job. Oh,
this T, these
oops,
two.
There we go. I've got that upside down.
Wait.
UN also comes where in the word?
Let me think.
Before or after the base?
before.
Good. So write down UN. It's a prefix. Write down UN.
Not this way.
I know, I had it wrong. Sorry.
Topsy turvy.
Say U.
U.
N.
N.
Good. UN before. Good. Prefix. Good job. So if you are not sure how to spell the words goes or going or gone or does or undo or redo or doing, where could you look?
Here.
Okay. So I want you to look at the DO matrix, and I want you to write a word sum
Okay.
to make the word redoing.
Redoing.
Okay, redoing.
Oh.
So how would you build that? Write and name. Good job.
E.
R-E.
D.
Uh-huh.
O.
Uh-huh.
I. N. G.
Good. Excellent. This is what word?
Redoing.
Redoing. Good.
You're like you're already redoing it. Like
I'm redoing my homework. I'm doing it
again and again.
good.
Like
Can you box the prefix and the suffix, please?
Like you already did it again.
What's the prefix?
RE or whatever.
Good job. RE. And the suffix is?
ING.
ING. Awesome. And what's the base?
Do.
The base is DO.
Yeah, sorry.
Good job.
Sorry.
Excellent.
My brain's going wild.
I love it. Okay. So, that's it. Great work. Okay.
Okay.
Mhm.
Bye, everyone.
Oh yeah, you wanted to let everybody see your guy.
Hi.